Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Skill Trainers. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to create and sell digital products online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, blogger, or small business owner, this video will show you how to turn your knowledge and skills into profitable digital products. So, what are digital products? Simply put, digital products are intangible goods that can be sold and distributed online. Examples include ebooks, online courses, software, printables, and more. The best part? Digital products can be created once and sold multiple times, generating passive income. To create a successful digital product, you need to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your audience? Research your target audience and competition to validate your idea. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media to find trending topics and audience interests. Now it's time to create your digital product. Here are some tips. Validate your idea with your audience. Outline your content and structure. Create high-quality content using tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, or video recording software. Edit and refine your product until it's polished and professional. Where will you sell your digital product? Popular platforms include Gumroad, Sellfy, Etsy, for specific types of digital products, Shopify. Your own website using plugins like WooCommerce or easy digital downloads. To sell your digital product, you'll need a marketing strategy. Here are some ideas. Social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, Facebook, Google Ads, collaborations with influencers or other creators. Once you've sold your digital product, ensure smooth delivery and customer support. Use automated email sequences and clear instructions to help customers access and use your product. That's it. With these steps, you can create and sell digital products online. Don't forget to track your analytics, gather feedback, and continuously improve your products and marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, tips and articles on digital product creation and online business. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or need further guidance. And article link in description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.